Hello everyone, hope you're all fine, doing great, and you and yours are really enjoying life and enjoying food. Well, today I'm bringing you the recipe of mint chutney. Chutney is an ingredient, it's used as a dip and it's used with different things that we eat, especially the snacks that we take, and it's very very important with some Pakistani snacks like samosas and pakoras and rolls and all other snacks. Chutney is the main ingredient. Even with food, with the whatever you have cooked and you're eating it with chapati or naan or roti or pita bread, you can add chutney to it to add flavor. Okay, you can just take a bit of chutney and you can eat it, and it adds a lot of flavor to it, to your food. So I thought I should be bringing the recipes of chutney, a few chutneys also to you, and I have started off with this mint chutney. Before that, I shared the recipe of reddish chutney as well with you. Now this is mint chutney. I will also be sharing the recipe of ketchup, homemade ketchup, with you people, because ketchup also goes with a lot of snacks and with a lot of eatables. So all my YouTube channel family will be benefiting from this mint chutney, yummy mint chutney recipe. This is really nice, a very good recipe. You will really like it. Mint chutney is made by everybody, but this mint chutney is a special mint chutney. Seriously, it's very nice. This recipe is very nice. So I will be sharing it with all my YouTube family members and all those who are just going to become my family members by subscribing. Even those who are not our family members, everybody will be shared with this recipe. And besides that, please subscribe to the channel to become our family member, and you will come to know a lot of delicious, yummiest, flavorful recipes from us, and you will be enjoying them with us. So just subscribe, like and share. This mint chutney recipe, how it is made, a simple one, I will just tell you. Let's first discuss which ingredients we are going to use, or we are going to need for making this yummy mint chutney. Well, you can see here I have a big platter of mint leaves here. Mint leaves with me. I have washed them, and then I have half a big platter of coriander, fresh coriander. It's cut, it's washed. Okay, actually the proportion is 1 to 2. The ratio is 1 to 2. 2 parts of mint and 1 part of this coriander, green coriander. Okay, fresh green coriander. Like the amount of mint that you are taking for this mint chutney will be double the amount of fresh coriander that you will be taking for it. Okay, so I think it's simple and easy for all of you now to understand. And besides that, for this much, see, it's almost 2 big plates of mint and 1 big plate of fresh green coriander. Okay, so for this much of chutney that we are going to prepare, you will need 1 big tomato. As you can see, I have 1 big tomato, and this tomato was frozen. I have peeled it. I have already told you that you are going to freeze the tomatoes, and you will be taking them out as many as you need from your freezer and dipping them in warm water, and easily the outer peel of the tomato will come off. So, and outer peel of the tomato is not good for health, so that way it's skinned, the tomato is skinned. So I always do it that way. I've shared it previously also with you people, but now this is the tip. And this is my peeled tomato, and I've taken a few green chilies, as you can see them, with the peeled tomato, and for a few garlic cloves, as you can see, 5 to 6 garlic cloves for this much of chutney. Then I have salt and red chili powder. That depends totally upon your taste, how much you want to utilize for this chutney, and how spicy you want it to be. Besides, I have pomegranate seeds, a teaspoon of pomegranate seeds, dried pomegranate seeds, and I have dried coriander seeds also. So these are all the ingredients that we are going to use for this fabulous chutney, mint chutney. What I'm going to do with these dried pomegranate seeds, I'm going to crush them first, because yes, we are going to use a food processor for it, but a chopper for it, making the chutney. But you know, these pomegranate seeds, if you don't grind them previously, and grind them not very in powder form, but grind them in normally, if you don't do that, what happens is it doesn't go into under the chopper blade, doesn't become that fine, and when you eat the chutney, they don't taste that well then. So that's why I'm going to do this. I'm going to crush these dried pomegranate seeds. As you have seen, I've crushed them in this image. It's very obvious, clear to you. And then what I do is I take my food processor, it's a chopper that I'm taking, and half of the fresh green coriander I'm putting into my food processor bowl. Okay, and I've used half of it because half of the chutney I'll do in the first go, half of the chutney I'll do in the second go. Okay, so that my machine is also not overburdened. And after that, I will add half of the mint leaves that I had with me to my machine bowl. As you can see, I've done that here. And to that machine bowl again, I have added garlic cloves. If there were 6, I have added 3 garlic cloves here. Half of all the spices I've added to my machine bowl now. Mint, coriander, and all the spices. And what I do then is, because my tomato was frozen, with the hand crusher I crush that tomato as well, and that way I helped my machine. It's very good to help your machines, because machines help you a lot, so we should take care of them. That's why I crushed my tomato. It was frozen, I crushed it, and half of the tomato now goes into my machine bowl, as you can see here. And my food processor is all ready to make my chutney now, and this is going to be very easy and very yummy. So you can see here, I have started crushing the chutney, making it in the food processor, and as I did it 2 to 3 times, I have opened the lid, and I can see a few mint leaves on the sides that have still not been crushed. So with the help of a spoon, I have put them towards the center of the bowl, the crushing bowl, that the machine bowl, and I will again redo it, crush it again. So after covering it, I have crushed it again, and now you can see in my crushing bowl the chutney is ready. Okay, and this is the first go. Half of the chutney is made. I made the rest of the chutney also in the second go, in the same manner that I made it in the first go. And you will see as I dish it out, it will be a full bowl of chutney, but that's not half the chutney, that's all the chutney that I went in to make. Okay, and you see here the spicy chutney that makes things even yummier is ready. This chutney in this form can be eaten with roti, naan, pita bread, and any salan or stew or curry or gravy that you're eating with it. And this can be eaten with different things, but when we add some yogurt to it and make it make it into a mixture, a thin mixture, then it can be eaten with many snacks. And how we are going to do that, I'm just going to tell you. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a big spoonful of the mint chutney that's ready with us and put it in a bowl. This is a small serving bowl, a dessert bowl, and I have put a big spoonful of green mint chutney into it, and I have added yogurt to it. Okay, this will be a full bowl of chutney ready for eating with any snack that you want to take it with. Okay, here you can see I've mixed the yogurt and the chutney, and this is looking so nice and yummy, isn't it? So it's ready. The chutney for the snacks is ready here for you, and you can easily make it. And here I've shown you both the chutneys, the mint chutney and the yogurt and mint chutney as for snacks. This mint chutney, simple mint chutney, can be eaten with all the stews, gravies, etc. that you make and that you eat with bread or naan or roti or chapati or pita bread. It can be eaten with that, and the mint chutney with yogurt in it can be eaten with rice and with all the other snacks, different snacks that you eat. Okay, and these chutneys make food even more delicious. So if you really like it, please like, share, and do subscribe to the channel. Become a part of our YouTube channel family and keep enjoying yummy recipes. And of course, the HR training workshop videos are also there for you. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy yummy, yummy, yummy and organic food. Okay, organic food is very important, and give your loved ones also organic food. Take care of your health, take care of their health. Cheers.